Hey, Mom.
I'm on TV.
Dr. Salman, I hate to say this, but I think we are the fastest growing live Instagram in the entire world. We are here for our patients. We are here for you. We are here to connect with you again, to say hi to you, to tell you we love you, to tell you we miss you, and can't wait to be a part of your life again.
But I gotta say, I really truly miss being at work. I just miss our patients. I miss having the interaction. It's like, every single day I wake up in the morning, I'm like, wow, like I get to, help these people. I get to make people smile. It's amazing.
So, Dr. Salman, I got to ask you, your hair looks really nice, man. How in quarantine are you keeping this going?
So, you can't get a haircut nowadays. So I cut my own hair yesterday. I cut it up to about here. Looks nice here. And from the back, it's a mullet. I'm doing a Joe Exotic look.
Oh, I was going to ask.
At the moment.
I think one of my biggest struggles is, for everyone who knows me, is that I'm a double H, man. I'm a hugger and a high fiver. And to be in quarantine by myself, it's been tough.
Yeah.
I'm just very lucky, though. Like, I have such an incredible family. The other problems with quarantine for me is I'm really learning what I'm not good at again. What I learned is that I still can't cook. I actually had to call my mom to see how to boil chicken. If anyone knows, there's only two ingredients. It's water and chicken. Rodeo Dental's really stepped up when it comes to the helping out with the hospitals and PPE. We've donated thousands across Texas, whether it's N95 masks or just other types of gowns and PPE. So, I mean, it's just bell yeah to our rodeo. That's something we say in rodeo. Bell yeah as we shake some bells. See, we got some questions coming in. Dr. Salman, are you ready?
Can you give us some tips on how do we clean our teeth if we have a fixed retainer? There are ways to clean. Yeah, obviously, brushing is very, very important. So brushing not just the back side where the retainer is, but the front side is just as important. Now, if you've brushed the front and you brush the back, there are two sides that you're not catching with a toothbrush, which is in between the teeth. The only way you can clean that is with a floss. There are special flosses. There's a threader floss that you can thread under the retainer.
Teeth are shifting. Are they getting crooked, and will this make my treatment last longer during this pandemic?
So I'm assuming that you have braces on, and because you haven't seen us in 5-6 weeks, you're worried that your teeth might be shifting, or if anything, could be going wrong. And the braces are designed to hold your teeth. After they straighten them, they hold them in place. I wouldn't worry about it. Dr. Dugoni, I have another question. Danny asked us, I had braces a long time ago when I was younger. I've noticed my teeth have moved a little and my retainer doesn't fit anymore. Is there something you can help me with?
I think the first step is when the pandemic ends, we're gonna have to get a good evaluation on you, get you in, get you seen, and take a look. Because it's natural over time for your teeth to shift if you're not wearing that retainer. No matter what, no matter how long you had the braces for, most of the population, once they get them off, they want to shift unless you're wearing that retainer all the time. So it could be as simple as maybe we could fix it with maybe some limited braces. Maybe you got to get full braces again. Maybe it's something we could fix with a different type of retainer, or my favorite, Invisalign. It's amazing. It's clear. It's not just for adults. A lot of people think it's for adults. Really try and recommend it for teens as well. Salman, I got another one for you before you go.
Okay.
Ba-dam!
Remedies. Is there any home whitening remedies that we can try since we can't? Brushing your teeth is an excellent way to remove stains. So let's say that you're drinking a lot of coffee and you're brushing your teeth, maybe use a toothbrush. Maybe if you're brushing 3 times a day, that should help whitening your teeth just by the fact of brushing and removing the stain. Now, if you have more severe stains, there are other different types of stains that don't come out with toothpaste. I would recommend, seeing your dentist first before using anything at home. So make sure that the teeth are healthy. We can recommend something either at home or in office. There are multiple options.